Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're like me and you've been thinking of getting a turntable or yung vinyl setup or yung turntable setup but somehow medyo nafe-feel intimidated kayo because medyo komplikado naman yun talaga ang mga vinyl, then this video might be exactly what you're looking for. And today we're going to discuss about the Audio-Technica LP70 XBT and the Bluetooth speakers, which is the Audio-Technica SP3X. And to tell you at the very start of this video, but panoorin nyo yung entire video this combo might be the easiest way to start your vinyl era. This setup is very simple and it's not complicated. No complicated wiring, just set it up, press play, and enjoy your music. I've been using this at my studio, and today I'll walk you through the design, the features, sound quality, and whether it's actually worth your money. So let's start with the design. The Audio-Technica LP70 XBT keeps things minimal and very modern. It doesn't scream for attention, which I personally like because it blends nicely into my living room or studio setup. Build quality feels solid, and more importantly, it feels very beginner friendly without looking cheap. Pair that with the Audio-Technica SP3X speakers and you get a setup that looks clean and intentional right out of the box. Si Audio-Technica LP70 XBT or yung turntable has three colors: white, black, and the chrome finish or brown. The LP70 XBT is fully automatic and yung tone arm niya moves automatically. So no manual cueing required, which is perfect for beginners. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, which is perfect to our speakers, which is the Audio-Technica SP3X. And very seamless yung connectivity niya. Wala akong na-experience na nag-drop ng Bluetooth connection, and wala ring masyadong delay akong naririnig. So, perfect talaga ang combination ng dalawa na to. Honestly, from unboxing to playing the record, ilang minutes lang magagawa mo na siya with this combo. Now, let's talk naman what really matters, which is the sound. The first thing I noticed when I turned it on, grabe, iba pala talaga yung sound na nakukuha from the vinyl or the record. Plus, maganda rin kasi talaga yung quality ng turntable at nung speakers natin. Paano ko ba explain? Pero ang na-feel ko is that yung voice and yung instrument, though nagpe-play sila together, pero maririnig mo na para siyang hiwalay. So medyo mahirap explain. Siguro ito yung mga naririnig ng mga audiophiles, but ganun yung na-experience ko. Also, the Audio-Technica SP3X, as you can see, it's very small. Ang liit nung footprint na ginagamit niya. So, perfect combo to with the LP70 XBT. They are compact, but they can easily fit a small to medium-sized rooms, kagaya nung sa akin. So, baka may magtanong, the speakers, are they studio monitors? To answer your question, it's no. But hindi naman yun yung purpose ng speakers na to. This setup is designed for enjoyable and everyday listening. And dun sa role niyang yon, it really performs very well. After using it for quite a while, what stood out to me wasn't just the sound. It was how approachable the whole experience felt. Wala rin naman masyadong settings kailangang ayusin. I just played music. And sometimes yun naman talaga yung habol natin simplicity. Pag uwi mo sa bahay, pag upo mo, makikinig ka lang ng music, and ready na agad siya. Who could consider this setup? So this is good for beginners who want to enter their vinyl era like me. For those people who want a clean setup and a wireless setup, which is also like me. Also for casual listeners na who wants to collect vinyl or record, which is also me. And for those who value simplicity, as in, ang ganda niya sa space tignan, dagdag aesthetic, and nag-work talaga siya, as in, dual function, 'di ba? Siguro this is not for those who are audiophiles na or may experience na into vinyl because sobrang simple ng setup na to, and if you are those audiophiles na gusto mag-tweak ng settings and all, then this is not for you. If you are already have an experience on this and you want to create or build high-end analog systems, this is not for you because this one is very simple and this is not intended for that. Kasi ang intended talaga nito is accessibility. Perfect talaga siya for beginners and ease of use. What I like about this is yun nga, very beginner friendly, automatic operation, pero I can still do manual if ever I want to choose a different music or yung cue niya sa vinyl. May Bluetooth option, clean design, very aesthetic, and very nostalgic din yung itsura niya. And it really has a balanced sound. So again, this is not for advanced audiophiles, and speakers are great for actual listening, but you cannot use it for mixing kasi nga, again, hindi siya studio monitor. So at the end of the day, is it worth it? If you've been wanting to get into vinyl era without dealing complicated gears, kasi ang dami sa market, then this is your fast and easy and very accessible option. And you can't go wrong with this because Audio-Technica has been around in the industry for decades already. They have been known for making reliable audio equipment, and this setup just continues the tradition, mixing it with modern technology. And then the short answer, is it worth it ba? Yes, super worth it. Also, if you are convinced na, perfect timing because February 13 to 15 merong payday sale si Audio-Technica Philippines. Kasi meron daw silang up to 50% off. So, check out nyo yung Shopee or Lazada ni Audio-Technica Philippines. And since Valentine's Day na, for sure bibili ka ng flowers sa loved ones mo. And Audio-Technica Philippines and Flower Store PH has a sale. So, more details on that, I'll be linking in the description down below. So, catch this discounts and sales kasi perfect na perfect in this occasion. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell for you to be notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.